What's up guys, I'm Admiel Geoffroy and today I'm going to show you how you could turn this into this in Photoshop 2020. I recommend you to use the same version as I use because some options may differ in this. So let's get started right now. I downloaded these two images from Google. You could do the same. Select this server over here. You could click here or click here. If you see here this drop down box, it is named as normal. Below kind, if you just click that, you could see here there are so many options, and if you place your mouse on any one of those, you could see it is blending the server with the background, that is the red sky here. So I'll see what I like. This. I like this one. I like this one too. Yeah, I'll take this one. So just click it and the blend mode will be applied. See? And now to match this, you just go over here. You could see here this half full circle. Just click that and select this brightness and contrast. And you could see here an option after this eye like thing over here, just click it. So this option will just be applied to this object. So click that brightness and contrast, and if you decrease the brightness, you could see here it is decreasing over here, and if you don't choose this option, it will decrease the whole. So make sure you choose it like this, and then increase your contrast up to 44. So brightness to minus 150 and the contrast to 44. So great. Now again click on that half full circle, and you could see here hue saturation. Just click that, and oh, I forgot to do this. Just click this option here too, so it will be applied only over here, only on this cat. And you could see here this lightness. If you go towards the positive 100, the light gets increased, and if you go towards the negative 100, the light gets decreased. I recommend you to just go till here, minus 8 I think so. And you could see here the saturation, just increase its saturation up to plus 73, I hope so. And then yes, to plus 50. This hue, bring it to plus 50. I think the saturation is a bit low, so just bring it high. Great. And this light, yes, the lightness, bring it to plus 7, and the saturation to plus 95, and the hue to plus 59. You could check out on these two, the master. I don't know about this. Oh, this is pretty cool too. Yeah, I like it. But I'll undo that. The saturation is not working over here. I'll just go to this master. So this is great. This is our final thing. I will just go over here and press the Z button to zoom inside. You could press this fit screen, and we're fitting to the screen. So yeah, this is much cooler than that one. So if you like this video, just like it, share and subscribe. Thank you.